What's the secret to asking the right questions? Imagine unlocking the door to understanding the world around you. Sounds powerful, doesn't it? Welcome to English Evolution, Step 1. Today, we're diving into the magic of WH questions. These simple words are the keys to asking questions and getting answers. Whether you're exploring a new city or meeting new people, WH questions will be your guide to discovery. Ready to master them? Let's get started. What? Where? When? Why? Who? Which? How? Whom? Whose? Let's dive in. What is the word you use when you want to learn about things, actions, or choices? It is like opening a treasure chest of details. Seeks information about a thing or idea. Listen and practice these examples.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs for breakfast.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 in the morning.
What do you usually wear to work?
I wear a white shirt and trousers.
What do you do after dinner?
I watch TV or read a book.
What is your favorite part of the day?
Evening, because I relax and unwind. What questions guide you to uncover everyday actions and personal preferences? Let them bring life into focus. Where helps you find out about locations or places. It takes you on a journey to explore destinations. Inquires about a place or location. Example:
Where do you work?
I work in an office downtown.
Where do you buy your groceries?
I buy them at the local market.
Where do you have lunch?
I have lunch at the cafeteria.
Where do you go after work?
I go to the gym.
Where do you relax at home?
I relax on the sofa in the living room. To find the right place, just ask a where question and let curiosity guide you. When helps you ask about time. From daily schedules to big events, it is your go-to word for timing. Listen and repeat after me.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 in the morning.
When do you take a shower?
I take a shower after breakfast.
When do you start working?
I start working at 8:30 in the morning.
When do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 7 in the evening.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 at night. When questions keep you on track, helping you stay in sync with schedules. Why helps you explore reasons and explanations. It is the word to find the because behind actions. Questions the reason or cause.
Why do you wake up early?
Because I like to start my day with exercise.
Why do you drink coffee in the morning?
Because it gives me energy.
Why do you prefer working from home?
Because it saves time and is comfortable.
Why do you go to bed early?
Because I need a good night's sleep to feel fresh.
Why do you take a walk after lunch?
Because it helps with digestion. Why questions? Uncover the reasons behind actions. Keep asking to learn more. Who helps you find out about people. It connects you to the individuals in your world. Refers to a person or people.
Who makes breakfast at home?
My mother makes breakfast.
Who drives you to work?
I drive myself to work.
Who do you call after work?
I call my best friend.
Who helps you with household chores?
My siblings help me.
Who do you spend weekends with?
I spend weekends with my family. Who questions? Open the with people and their roles in your life. Which is for making choices between options. It lets you focus on picking one out of many.
Which bus do you take to work?
I take the number 5 bus.
Which shoes do you wear for walking?
I wear my sneakers.
Which book do you read before bed?
I read Al-Quran.
Which fruit do you eat in the morning?
I eat an apple.
Which TV show do you watch in the evening?
I watch a comedy show. Got options. Use which to help make the best choice for you. How is your guide for asking about ways, methods, or feelings. It shows you the process behind things. Explores the manner or process.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by car.
How do you cook rice?
I cook it in a rice cooker.
How do you stay fit?
I stay fit by exercising daily.
How do you spend your free time?
I read books or watch movies.
How do you feel after a long day?
I feel tired but accomplished. How questions. Provide insight into processes and feelings. Use them to discover more. Whom is used to ask about the receiver of an action. It is polite and perfect for formal conversations. Refers to the receiver of an action or the object of a verb or preposition.
Whom do you call when you are in trouble?
I call my best friend.
Whom do you help with homework?
I help my little brother.
Whom do you meet at the park?
I meet my jogging group.
Whom do you thank after dinner?
I thank my mother for cooking.
To whom do you lend your books?
I lend my books to my classmates. Whom adds formality and precision when asking about people involved in actions. Whose and is used to ask about possession or ownership. It clarifies who something belongs to.
Whose book are you reading?
I am reading my sister's book.
Whose jacket do you borrow when it's cold?
I borrow my father's jacket.
Whose car do you use for long trips?
I use my uncle's car.
Whose advice do you follow when making big decisions?
I follow my mentor's advice.
Whose shoes do you wear for sports?
I wear my friend's running shoes. Whose is used to ask about possession or ownership. It clarifies who something belongs to. Think about this. Every question you ask can lead to a new adventure or insight. What will you discover next? Where will your journey take you? Great job today! You've just learned how to use WH questions to ask about people, places, things, and ideas. Remember, practice makes progress. So try asking WH questions in your everyday conversations. Share your questions in the comments. And let's keep evolving together on English Evolution Step 1. See you in the next lesson.